Hello, it is Kurt Clements again with the Graham Real Estate Group here at Keller Williams. Today we're in White Eagle, neighborhood here in Naperville. White Eagle is a sprawling community surrounding the White Eagle Golf Course just off the southwest corner of Route 59 and Montgomery Road. Now, the neighborhood's filled with curving roads lined with beautiful homes that are a mix of Georgian and traditional architectural design, boasting dramatic pitched roof with various brick and stone patterns. The age of the homes here in White Eagle vary, as the first homes were built in the late 1980s and it continued steadily until the 1990s. Several homes are being built even as we speak here in early 2022. Now, White Eagle offers both condos and townhome options for those who prefer maintenance-free living. Both offer golf course views. Now, for the condos, Golf Villas condominiums on Aberdeen Court typically sell in the mid to upper 300s and overlook holes 5, 6, and 7 of the White Course. And the Stableford Townhomes on Stableford Lane typically sell in the mid to upper 400s and overlook hole 2 of the Red Course. Now, most of the homes here in White Eagle are single-family residences with sales prices ranging from the mid 400s to over $1.5 million. Now, overall, there are just under 1,900 residential properties here in the White Eagle neighborhood. Now, many who look at homes here in White Eagle are aware of the White Eagle Country Club. Now, this club offers gorgeous amenities, including 27 holes of golf, a stunning clubhouse, tennis courts, and a pool. Memberships are available to both residents and non-residents of the community. Speaking of residents of White Eagle, they have their own place to have fun, and of course, it's called the Owners Club. The Owners Club is located at the northeastern corner of the community and features a clubhouse, a large resort-style pool with beach entry, swim lanes, a large patio for lounge seating, and sand volleyball. Plus, there are 8 tennis courts with lights and are available at all times during the day and evening. Additionally, there are a number of parks located throughout the neighborhood. And finally, White Eagle also provides their own security. Now, as far as location, we are about 15 minutes south of the Metra train on Route 59. We're about a 20-minute drive to I-88 at Route 59, and we're about a 15-minute drive to downtown Naperville. As far as shopping goes, we are just west of the Route 59 corridor, so you know we have plenty of shopping options as well. Schools. White Eagle is part of the Indian Prairie School District 204, and we have the White Eagle Elementary, which is here in the neighborhood, Still Middle School, and of course, Waubonsie High School. Again, it's Kurt Clements with Graham Real Estate Group. If you have any questions about White Eagle or any other communities here in Naperville, reach out. We're here to help. Talk to you soon.